Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I have an update on my 10K challenge account. So yeah guys, so first thing first, I'm going to show you the trade that I took. So first trade was AUD JPY. So we're gonna go straight to AUD JPY, and I'm gonna show you the trade. I took a trade on AUD JPY right here in this order block, and then the market just pushed further, but I was correct about the direction, but it was because of market timing. The market pushed further and then took the liquidity. After taking the liquidity, I was supposed to enter again, but I was scared. Like I said, nah, let me not like revenge trading and stuff, because I knew the market like was like going to the downside. So I waited. And then I had this order block right here. So the market just mitigated this order block. I'm waiting for the market to retrace a little bit to give me an entry on this. So on Monday, I'm gonna take this trade to the downside on AUD JPY. So I lost this trade, guys. So I'm gonna show you how much I lost. I lost $69 on this trade. So coming back, I have Euro NZD. Euro NZD, like I was like I didn't know what I was doing, because I took a buy right here and then the market started reversing and then took me out over here. Like I was in a daily time frame and I keep pressing because yeah, man. Yeah, but after taking some few losses, I stepped back and then yeah, man, I looked in everything that I was doing. I said, nah, man, let me take a step back and then let me do this thing with patience, and being like disciplined in every single trade that I'm taking. So yeah, man, I took a loss on AUD on euro, which is I took a loss of $52. Um, coming back, coming back here, I had a trade on GBP CHF, a trade on GBP CHF. Where's GBP CHF? GBP CHF. There is GBP CHF. GBP CHF. I had the trade. Let me show you all what is the trade. I After the market sweeping liquidity here, I thought the market is gonna push to the upside because the market took liquidity, but the market reversed right here. The market took liquidity right here. I thought the market's gonna push to the upside, but the market reversed. And then now I'm pretty confident in this trade that I'm waiting for the market to come here, because we have this liquidity right here. We have a liquidity right here, so I'm waiting for the market to consolidate towards there. After that, I'm gonna look for a change of current, and then I'm gonna enter going to the upside. So yeah, man. Stepping down to GJ. On GJ, guys, let me check it out. GJ, GBP, after the market, we had an imbalance of Monday because the market just jumped, and then we had a lot of liquidity after the market coming to this demand zone. I said, nah, man, let me like wait for a confirmation. So I went down to 15 minutes. The market was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, sweep liquidity. After sweeping liquidity, I was waiting for the market to push to the upside, and then after a change of character, I had my buy here. So I thought the market is gonna go to the upside, but the market went to the upside, and then it reversed, going to the downside. So I lost this trade another 50 something dollars. Let's check it out. GJ, I lost $27. I lost $27 on GBP JPY. I lost $27 because you can clearly see my stop loss, because my stop loss was right below here. I had $50. I said nah, because there were news event. I said nah, let me just like adjust my stop loss a little bit so that I won't lose that much. So after that, guys, I had a beautiful trade that gave me $168 on AUD CAD. So we're gonna go straight to AUD CAD. Where is my AUD CAD? AUD CAD. This is my trade on AUD CAD. My AUD CAD trade. Yes, sir. So the market is currently bearish. I had a clean imbalance here, break of structure. The market consolidated, change character. The market push. When it gets here, I executed without nothing, without anything. I executed. The market went straight to this order block here, and then yeah, man, I was like my stop loss was around, my take profit was around these levels right there, and I said, nah, man. Let me just close because there's a demand zone here that can push the market to the outside. And then I closed. When I went home, because it was like around 5 plus 2 GMT time, Pretoria, it was like 5. And then when I went home, when I get home, I found the market, it was here. I said, nah, man, this thing, this thing could have been like returned and took me out like that, because like I kept like trading stop loss. When the market got here and then reversed, changed character, I put my stop loss above that high. If the market can push above that high, that means my trade is invalid and then it's gonna take me out on break even. So yeah, man. So going forward, we're gonna take a look at my next trade on USDCHF, going down to my uh, USDCHF trade. Yeah, man, that this was a like it was a risky trade, because I don't take like trade like these, guys. I don't wanna lie, but this was a beautiful trade. The market, I had it all the block here. I was waiting for the market to consolidate, because um, I had like a lot of liquidity right there. Yeah, I waited for the market. This was my demand. Well, this was my order block right there. So the market was down here. So I had this liquidity that was above that. I was waiting for the market to consolidate towards my demand zone. But the market, we had news on CHF, Swiss franc, in the morning, around the around London open, London session open. So I said, nah, man, it pushed. And if I enter this trade, I think I could have been like taken out. So I waited. It was on Friday, on Friday, NFP pushed to the upside, and then took all of this liquidity that was above, and then I saw like this rejection currently. After that rejection, I said, nah, man, no, there's no way this market can continue going to the upside. Let me take this trade. I took this trade around here. The market consolidated, and it pushed to the downside. When it got into this demand zone, I said, nah, man. Oh, the market, it was here, and then NFP came, I pushed the market to the downside. I said, man, NFP, I don't trade news, but NFP did well. And then when market gets into this demand zone, I say, nah, man, let me take out my money, because the overall structure of USDCHF is bullish. So I say, like, let me take off my money, and then yeah, man. So the market starting like consolidating toward the upside. I say, nah, man, I'm out. And then I had 87. I was like 100 something dollars, and then I like I got stopped out. So in this trade right here, AUD NZD, basically this trade was like I wanted to enter Euro NZD, and then I made a mistake. I opened AUD NZD. As you can see, the loss over there is like $2. I didn't open this trade in purpose. I was like, nah, man, let me just open this trade. And then I had this $55 that made me again to draw down like 5 point something dollars. But you see, my strategy, guys, my win rate is like 30 20 uh 30-20%. Like you see, you can clearly see how I, like all of my losses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses and 2 wins, but still I'm on break even. Understand? This is how I trade. If I could have been like one, maybe two trades, yeah, man, I could have been like way away because I risk half a percent. Half percent. If I win 1.5% or 2%, or maybe 4%. Depends on my risk to right ratio, and it depends where I gonna put where is my next demand zone. So that's it. So you can clearly see how I trade. So coming to my dashboard on Equity Edge dashboard, you can clearly see the metrics over there. So I started with like a lot of drawdown, and then pushed to the upside, and then I'm on break even right now. So yeah, man, I took 8 trades, 2 won. Um, I lost 6 trades, but at the same time, I'm on break even. Uh, yeah, man, it's like $5. $5 is nothing. So yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm gonna post another video updating you guys what's going on. It's your boy Mazwi. Peace.